Hey everyone, Alex Quinn here at Arcan RV Edmonton. Today we're going to go over the 2025 Keystone Coleman 25B. This is a brand new model to the Keystone lineup, and if you haven't noticed yet, Keystone did acquire Dutchman. A couple really cool things about that. One, better quality control. Two, you get a little bit more exclusive features from Keystone, as well as you still get the 3-year structural warranty on this as well. But a couple things I want to share about this new model. One, it's about 5,500 pounds. So pretty lightweight, coming around 29 feet total tip to tail. Come around here to the side. One, you get a nice tall clearance on this. If you are gonna go anywhere, maybe off grid or maybe something more terrain, or you have a bigger truck, it does tow really nice. Gives you a bigger height. And then over here, you get nice pass-through storage. On the other side, you're gonna have on-demand tankless hot water heater on this, and then over here you get a nice big giant awning. This awning shoots out about 8 to 10 feet. You have nice powered LED lights as well, just makes it look really nice, as well as new graphics as well for the Keystone, coming in the white, silver, and the black. Just looks really sharp. Bigger window here on the camping side, so if anyone's cooking inside or cleaning, you can actually have a nice view of your campsite, especially if you have kids running around. You do have a griddle and grill LP line hookup, so you can really set up an entire setup here with your table and barbecue. And one nice thing I did like was they gave you this massive opening here, accessible from inside the trailer or outside as well. You can put your chairs or maybe your barbecue, anything like that. It's pretty spacious, so you have a lot of room to deal with. Over here, we have our Lippert ladder prep. So just basically a snap-in, plug and play, as well as our backup camera prep is there. On the back here, you do get LED lights, as well as an outside shower. So that's all there. This unit is gonna come pre-wired for solar prep. So again, nice and easy. It's already pre-wired for a solar panel as you need. You can have up to 2 panels on a single charge controller. So it is pretty nice, gives you a lot of power. But let's head inside. So one thing I really loved about this trailer was it's very spacious. It's nice and open. You get an 8-foot wide body, 6'5" ceiling height, as well as a nice deep slide. So this really opens it up a lot. You get flush slide flooring as well, so you don't have to step up into the slide, or it's just a lot more natural to sit down and kind of come in and out of it. Another nice thing is you get the ducted AC across the cabin, heat enclosed underbelly, and look at this storage amount of space here in the kitchen. You get tons of drawers. They're nice and deep too. They're more residential style, so just a nice thing that Keystone did for the Coleman brand is they gave it a little bit more higher end features that you would see normally in a Cougar or a Passport. And as the #1 selling brand in the United States, they listen to their customers, so it's really nice. Over here, you get a nice big sink. This sofa does fold up into a bed, not out, so you do have additional sleeping space. This drops down into a bed, and you have storage underneath both sides. Again, nice big windows here. And then towards the end here, we do have our 12-volt refrigerator. And then we do have our nice oversized double bunk beds, top and bottom, both equipped with the USB and USB-C ports, and that runs off 12-volt batteries. Come on in here, and we have a nice spacious size bathroom. Tons of space, lots of wall space as well if you want to hang any towels up top there. Nice shower. It's a 30 by 40 inch shower as well, so you get definitely a lot more width out of it compared to some of the competitor models, which are a little bit tighter. So you get the height and you get the width. Super nice, and you get better backing underneath too. Come around here, the master bedroom. So we have our sliding doors here for privacy. One cool thing I did really like about the Colemans as well is you can adjust the lights across the whole trailer too. So maybe you only want a couple lights on when you're going to the bathroom or for the kids or anything like that. It's really nice to use. You have a spot for a TV. You get a nice full-size queen bed. And then you'll see here, we'll have a couple of these yellow stickers on these outlets. As I mentioned earlier in the video, that's part of your inverter prep. So that, as long as you have that there, you have power there when you have your inverter installed. Nice large wardrobe closets. And this is pretty sweet as well because one, you can literally just have all your bins of your maybe additional clothes, your camping gear, you know, extra bedding. And if you need, you can also block it off. You can put a dog bed there too if you want. You know, you can do a lot of cool stuff depending on what works best for you. But that's the 25B, and I appreciate your time watching this video. If you have any questions, please comment below, and thank you so much for watching. This is Arcan RV.